Yeah.
Especially because loads of people are laying down.
Yeah, and it's
I could stay here very long. It's the space that, I don't know, it's just like it occupies you rather than you occupy it. So, yeah, because I wanted to stop, like thinking of 12 minutes, and then again, on a couple of occasions, I thought, okay, I will go out, but then I was just carried away with something else happening, and I just couldn't resist, so I went, and so a few times like that. So that's my first impression.
When it became choreographic for me, when I saw a shape, somebody do a shape, and I could do exactly the same thing. And that's what was really interesting, in perspective as well. I could do that from here, or close, or far.
But then people started imitating you.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that was great. Yeah. That was really, really nice.
Because at the end, when I took the movement, I repeated it, so I said that might happen to me.
Yeah.
And then instantly, the moment you repeat anything more than 4 times, you stand out.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And I noticed that straight away. So it's that sort of like natural, am I just blending in, and now I step out.
Yeah.
That's
Well, it kind of built generally. I mean, at first I felt like we were kind of undercover and we weren't being ever so...
Just wait a minute, wait.
Standing out, but I don't know, I think that we egged each other on.
Yeah, absolutely.
Kind of
it's a confidence thing as well. It's like you take more risks as you go.
Yeah, but at the same time, I mean, the things that I'm interested in is what you notice that everybody is doing, and the rituals of that, and the digital camera especially, I wanted to mimic, but I didn't feel like it was going... I don't know, I just didn't feel like it was going to come through because it was all about devices and props and, I don't know, the question of what...
You mean the actual usage of taking photos? Yeah. I agree.
And whether you can kind of imply that or if you actually have to mine that. I don't know, that was an interesting thing in my head.
They're still lining up for the pictures of London Bridge in the background, aren't they?
Yeah.
But for me, as a movement, as mine it worked as a part of the process. But actual taking pictures didn't. Yeah. But as a movement, as a something like that, like position. Yeah. Because there are so many things going on like that. People just do that here.
But the thing about taking a picture of someone is that it is a pause, isn't it? I mean, it's always longer than the fraction of a second that it actually needs to be for the picture. But when you're taking the picture of your cousin or your brother or whatever, then the fact you could take them without them stopping at all doesn't occur to you, or them, waiting. All this stuff, smile and all that. So it's like a little ritual that kind of operating. But I think having children here does make quite a difference.
Yeah. It gives it more variety because they're more expressive with their bodies, so it's easier to mimic and take on that.
The vocabulary is much wider instantly. You haven't got just static standing. Adults' range of motion is really limited, and children's add that sort of speed level dynamic.
The main activity here is people strolling along really slowly, taking photographs. So having kids here is gives the place a variety of.
There's loads of idiosyncrasies as well in the way people walk and the way people hold their hands.
And then when you've sort of watched it as an outsider, then to move on to 3, which is just to, well, I've used different words, but they all mean the same thing, to mimic, simulate, copy, imitate, just try to move as closely to the patterns that you see there. Don't, this is where I may differ from B-Score a little bit, don't try and perform. Just try and consciously do what other people are doing unconsciously. So you kind of remember what pace you are, how your body might have positioned itself, whether you're looking around, whether you're looking just down, pushing, all those sort of perfectly ordinary things, and then kind of make notes on that. And then from that, take 1 or 2 little sequences, and this is where it starts to turn into dance and performance. Little movements, little gestures, little kind of certain speeds or whatever, and get to feel that as if it were, not a score dreamed up out of some sort of inspiration, but your inspiration has come really from what's around you. It's nothing special. And then,
but it's really difficult.
Somewhere in these original notes is the idea of doing it with your eyes closed. That may or may not be possible, and you might need somebody to kind of guard you while you do that, depending on. And then, when you've really learned that little thing, that sort of tourist taking a picture, or person moving from one restaurant menu to the other, or whatever it is that's the characteristic of that space, then start to sort of turn that into a more exaggerated, more performative thing, so adding cadenzas and unexpected changes. And that was my sort of very simplistic version of it, with no big words in it, no sort of metaphysical stuff in it.